Giva's AI-powered Knowledge Copilot revolutionizes how your teams access and utilize any knowledge, driving efficiency and dramatically increasing productivity and decreasing resolution times. Giva's Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG approach, is an advanced technique ensuring AI Copilot responses are grounded in only your organization's existing knowledge articles, delivering accurate and relevant answers every time. No internet training is used. Here are the key benefits of Giva's RAG-based Knowledge Copilot. Unparalleled accuracy. Answers are derived directly from only your internal knowledge articles, eliminating reliance on internet training and ensuring accuracy and providing cross-references to such articles. Enhanced security and privacy. It operates within a dedicated, private and secure instance of Microsoft Azure, ensuring your data remains protected, and Giva has a business associates agreement with Microsoft. And HIPAA compliance. Full HIPAA compliance guarantees the privacy and security of sensitive information, crucial for healthcare organizations and other security-minded customers. Let's look at Giva's Knowledge Copilot in action. In an agent login, from the search page, enter in a question or search term and click Search. The next screen will not only display the usual list of knowledge articles with links, but also will use the power of AI to analyze the top results and provide a single best answer. This helps users obtain answers without having to review each page of the search results. Of course, if needed, they can then be viewed along with the full documentation of any of the knowledge articles returned. Further, the results include cross-references to the specific knowledge articles it used to generate the answer and can be copied into the computer's clipboard. And with Giva's commitment to AI safety and continuous improvement, the Knowledge Copilot incorporates a feedback mechanism, thumbs up and thumbs down, for each answer, enabling ongoing refinement of our AI prompts, algorithms, and other variables to enhance accuracy. Now let's discuss security for a brief moment. Giva leverages the Microsoft and OpenAI technology partnership, ensuring top-tier data privacy and security. Our integration with Microsoft Azure searches only your company's data and not the internet, and we have assigned BAA with Microsoft. This guarantees your data is not shared with Microsoft, OpenAI, or ChatGPT, or any other third-party products. With this, you can be assured your data is kept secure, private, encrypted, and only available to you. And finally, let's look at one more example. This is the Giva Customer Self-Service Portal that your customers or employees can access 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They can create and access service requests, use the Knowledge Copilot, etc. to solve their own issues and also get answers to policy and procedure questions. To begin, enter the search phrase and click Search. And the results will be returned along with the Knowledge Copilot summary. Customer self-help is a standard in today's digital age of customer support, and your organization will benefit by providing this streamlined approach to customers finding answers based on the knowledge your teams have crafted. Once the Copilot results are displayed, again they will include the reference links. Giva is committed to bringing our customers these capabilities to help your teams further streamline their processes so you can continue to offer the best in customer support.